Good morning and welcome back to Scale Auto Guys Workbench. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing on this Aoshima Toyota Hi-Lux double cab lift up. I just received this in the mail and I thought, hey, let me get this video shot and get it put up on the channel for you guys to take a look at. It looks like it's going to be a pretty extensive build. I wouldn't be surprised if this video ran into the hour and a half length. Maybe I might cut that down into 2 episodes, or I don't know yet. I don't know. But let's get started. All right, let's start with the cab. It looks really clean. The lines are nice and sharp and crisp. I don't see one little tiny bit of flash on that at all. I'm not detecting any mold lines like you'd see in a lot of domestic kits. I do see a little swirl in the plastic up here and a little bit on the hood, and sometimes those can be problematic. For whatever reason, paint, especially metallic paint, tends to migrate towards those for whatever reason. I'll take steps to try to reduce that occurrence. So this kit has several parts trees, and they're in a couple of different colors. So let's take a look at all the white ones first, the white plastic. This comes with fender flares like you see on the box art. All your, looks like driving lights? Yeah, looks like driving lights. All kinds of different driving lights. And I'm guessing that's a net for the back of the bed instead of a tailgate. And next up is, looks like a roll bar. And some interior parts, steering wheel, etc., gear shift levers. Whoop, slippery. Is that a mirror? It looks like it might be a mirror. I don't know what that is. It looks like a mirror. Weird, because it looks like the box art depicts a chrome mirror. Alright, this next tree is your pickup bed, tailgate. I'm assuming that net is optional. So we'll have to wait and see when we start building this. It's a multi-piece bed, so that should be fun as always. Alright, that's all of the white trees. Now we get into the gray colored trees. Disc brakes and interior parts, transfer case, and the floor pan for the cab. Now this is a curbside kit. In other words, you know, because the hood does not open, so it's not going to have an engine in it, but that's fine. It'll still look good. Here's the rest of your interior parts, and again, the moldings are really crisp on this. It does have a little bit of flash on the edge of that seat, but that's barely noticeable. Everything is such, I don't know, it's a treat to have a kit that's basically flash free. Here's your frame, and here's why I said it's curbside, but it's going to be okay. It does give you an engine bottom, and the got to get it going the right direction. That'll sit in there basically just like that. So that's how that'll go together. All right, up next, there are multiple chrome trees. This first one has your grille and front bumper and your mirrors. I'll put that there. Next one is your wheels. Those are pretty sharp looking. Next one, is your lower suspension and a rock guard, or what do you call that? I can't remember the technical name for that, but there it is. Springs and axles. These are looks like these are the center caps for the wheels. That's what those look like they'll be. It's one more chrome tree, and this is the rest of your suspension parts. Exhaust system, chrome drive shaft. So that's kind of cool. That's a wicked suspension system all in chrome. Alright, next up, as usual, I left it inside the bag till I need it, is your cab glass. So it's got full windows on the sides, fully enclosed. Your moonroof, back window with it has the, I don't know if you can see it or not, it's got the sliding window, and all your headlight, taillight, and driving light lenses. Next up is the, whoops, next up is the decal sheet. Just a basic, you know, decal sheet. It's kind of cool though. I love the gauges. I love when they put the gauges in there. And it also has a pair of masking stickers so that you can cut those out and attach those to your glass so that you can paint in the black trim around the glass. Next up, and here's why I oopsed. Your 4 tires. They have a real nice tread pattern to them. The sidewall says radial something or other, and they're super swampers. So nice big off-road tires. This kit is 1/24 scale. The direction sheet is in English and obviously Japanese, a couple different languages. Very fine print. So that's going to be a nice challenge for us vision impaired folks. But anyway, gives you decal locations and color shout outs and blah blah blah. Yeah, that suspension is going to be a ton of fun to put together. It's multi-piece, and it's going to take a minute to get that all put together. Okay, that just about covers this Toyota Hi-Lux pickup. I picked this up off of AliExpress for, it was right around $25, and it shipped to me pretty fast. It took about 2 weeks. Coming from overseas, that's pretty fast. So if you're interested in possibly purchasing this kit, AliExpress has those listed on there, as well as other Toyota pickups. They have standard cab pickups that are basically lifted like this one. They have like a Highlander style pickup, or not pickup, but SUV. If you're not opposed to using those kind of places to order your kits, I encourage you to do so. This is something that is not easily bought through American websites and what have you. So sometimes you have to think outside the box to get something that's kind of unique. Alright guys, it's the end of the video here. If you like this video, oh wait a second, I just seen where that thing that I thought was a mirror is actually something that goes up here, maybe a tachometer that goes up on the hood there. Anyway, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, all of that stuff. If you have any questions or comments, you know what to do. Leave those in the comment section below. We'll get started on this build here real soon. So if you want to see this get built, make sure you hit that subscribe button. That way there you're notified when this video is posted. Thanks for watching Scale Out a Guy's Workbench, and I'll see you on the next build.